Hello everyone, myself Forum Damani, HRT of pre-K class. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home, enjoying your vacations with your friends and family. Today I'm back here again with a new topic of animals. So let's see which type of animals today we are going to learn. And the first one is domestic animals. Domestic animals are which animals? Animals which we can keep at our home or at farm. Let's see some example of domestic animals. Buffalo, camel, rabbit, sheep, dog, goat, rat, cat, and cow. Now we are going to learn about wild animals. Wild animals are which animals? Animals which live in forest or in zoo. Now let's see some examples of wild animals. Elephant, giraffe, zebra, monkey, snake, cheetah, lion, tiger, and fox. Now we are going to learn about aquatic animals. Aquatic animals are which animals? Animals which live in water. So let's see some examples of aquatic animals. Fish, jellyfish, starfish, seahorse, crab, dolphin, octopus, sea lion, crocodile, and turtle. I hope you all understood the concept of animals. Thank you.